Hi students, it's Mrs. Moon here, and today I've got a video tutorial for you on sales tax. So one thing we need to remember if we're calculating sales tax for an item is we're dealing with percentages. So as a review, if we were to have a tax at 5%, then we're going to have to use a decimal in our calculations, especially if you were using a calculator at school that had a percent button. Your calculators at home probably don't have this button, so how are we going to deal with this? Let's look at it. So if I've got 5%, we assume that our decimal comes at the end of the number. What we do to convert this from a percent to a decimal form is we essentially divide by 100 or move the decimal 2 places to the left. So that's going to land our decimal right here. So 5% equals 0.05. So you're going to use 0.05 in your calculations. Let's take a look at the tax of 8%. Well, right now our decimal comes at the end. We're dividing by 100, which moves our decimal 2 places to the left, and we get 0.08 for our decimal. If our percent is already in double digits, like 12%, again, we assume our decimal is at the end of the number. We divide by 100, which moves our decimal 2 places to the left. I did not have to add a 0 this time. So 12% is equal to 0.12. So these would be the numbers that we would use in our calculations, especially if you've been used to using a percent button on a calculator. You're not going to be able to do that on most of your regular calculators that you may have at home. So 0.05, 0.08, and 0.12 are these percentages expressed in decimal form. All right, let's take a look at some examples that I've come up with that are real similar to what you'll find on your NTI assignment from Mrs. Wagner today. So let's take a look here. If we have an item, which is some headphones, and they're priced at $25. And in Kentucky, our sales tax is at 6%. So if I've got these $25 headphones, I first have to calculate how much sales tax is that going to be. So I take 25 and I multiply by my decimal, 0.06. That gives me 1.5. So 25 times 0.06 is 1.5. I know I'm dealing with money here, so let me add another place after my decimal to make dollars and cents. That's going to be another 0. So I get $1.50 then in sales tax. Then Ms. Wagner wants us to calculate the total price. So the total price is going to be our original price of $25 added to our sales tax of $1.50. We pay a total price of $26.50. Okay, let's look at the second example. Let's say that we have some new jeans that are regularly priced at $32.50. Well, first let's calculate how much sales tax will we pay on our $32.50. So we take our 32.50 and we multiply by 0.06 because sales tax is 6%. I get 1.95. So that means $1.95 is how much we will pay in sales tax on these jeans. Then we calculate our total price. $32.50 added to our tax, $1.95, gives us a total price of $34.45. So $34.45 would be the total. Got 2 more examples for you. These are some higher priced items, and I changed the sales tax percentage just so you can see how this affects things. So now if you'll look in this table, our sales tax is going to be 9%. Here's our original items. Let's say that we're going to purchase an Xbox. An Xbox regularly priced is $154.95. So we will take that original price, multiply by the sales tax as a decimal, 0.09, and we get this longer decimal. Okay, so we're going to have to do some rounding. Again, we're talking about money. We only really want two places after our decimal for dollars and cents. So I got 13.9455. I really just want to go to the hundredths place, so 13.94. But look at that next number. That next number is a 5. If it's 5 or greater, I can round that hundredths place up. So the hundredths place rounds up to a 5. $13.95 is my sales tax. Then calculate that total price. Take your original price, $154.95, add to that your sales tax, $13.95, and we get a total of $168.90. This is the total price that we pay. Look how much sales tax that was. It's kind of a lot of money to add to it, right? $13. What if that sales tax percentage had been 6%? What if this was purchased in Kentucky, 6%? The sales tax would have been a little less, right? Did you know Tennessee has sales tax at 9%? So a lot of us go to shop in Tennessee. We're paying higher sales tax in Tennessee than we pay in our Kentucky stores. So an interesting fact there. Okay, next item, AirPods. Regular price for Apple AirPods is $235.88. Wow, that's a lot of money for some headphones. Way overpriced, in my opinion. Okay, so here's our regular price. Let's calculate our sales tax on that. If we're in Tennessee and pay 9%, we'll say $235.88 times 0.09. We get this longer decimal, 21.2292. Again, we're going to round here to the nearest hundredth, so we just deal with dollars and cents. So take a look at that third number after the decimal is a 9. Since it's 5 or greater, I'm going to round the 2 up to a 3. So I get $21.23 for my sales tax. So then calculating that total price, I've got $235.88 added to $21.23, and I get a total price of $257.11. Very high priced AirPods there. Maybe we'll just go with the ones with the cord, save some money, right? Okay, well, I hope you're being successful with your NTI assignments. I hope you find these video tutorials engaging, fun, and helpful. So best of luck to you. Stay safe. Bye.